Hi everybody, welcome to Champion Trading. What we're demonstrating for you today, this is a custom built perfume filler. A lot of you have seen this type of equipment over the years. And for small filling where, especially in this case glass containers, that's changing all the time. These type of systems are really nice to have, semi-automatic. Let me take you through it, what it's doing. As of course you see intermittent motion conveyor with these blocks on it. They're just about a ½ inch diameter hole. The operators would place the containers in there, and as it comes over to the filling section, it has 4 vacuum nozzles. Get a better look at them here. And once entering into the bottle, they pull vacuum, draw the fluid in, and then any excess gets sucked off and is deposited back into the vacuum jar right here, and then discharged by this small polyurethane or plastic diaphragm pump. It's a small vacuum pump running right here, and that would connect to the top of the vacuum jar, providing vacuum. This little distribution block is pulling vacuum, and you see the hose right here, follow over, connects and goes back up to the vacuum jar, which is the longer tube going into the vacuum jar. Then material, we just put them in this small container. You see the rods there. They go up and connect to each one of the nozzles on the back here. Now, for whatever reason, they didn't have 2 of the capping stations running. We're going to take you down there now. And then in between here, the operators have put a small cap on. In this case, it looks like a small screw cap. And you'll see each one of these does have a clutch on them, similar to other capping equipment you've seen. And that clutch allows you to, and I'll just show you that real quick, you can actually, the torque it's set at, you can actually stop it. And there's a small tapered rubber piece in there that met the cap size. And you can easily buy these from a lot of manufacturers just to change if you have different caps. And of course, at the end, a little tampering device. The main drive under here, you'll see, is the good old-fashioned Geneva drive. That'll last about another 1,000 years and keep on running. Has an explosion-proof drive system. However, most of the electrical service on it is non-explosion proof. Naturally, with cosmetics and a lot of alcohol, you want to do that. This is in our stock, and you'll find it under Fillers Vacuum on our website if you'd like to see more details and pictures. If you're in the perfume business, of course, this works great for you. Just change those blocks on there to suit whatever size container you're running. We have lots of equipment for process and packaging and lots of the sanitary industries. So we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. And we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us today.